Boeing 720, the jetliner that bridged an era. In the early days of the jet age, commercial aviation was changing at breathtaking speed. Airlines wanted aircraft that could fly faster, higher, and farther than the propeller-driven airliners they were replacing. Among the aircraft that helped make this transformation possible was the Boeing 720, a fast and versatile jetliner that played an important role in the development of modern passenger aviation. Introduced in the late 1950s, the Boeing 720 was developed as a shorter-range derivative of the Boeing 707. Boeing designed it specifically for airlines that needed a jet capable of operating efficiently on shorter routes while still offering the speed and comfort associated with the new generation of jet aircraft. The 720 first flew in November 1959, and it entered commercial service with United Airlines in 1960. Compared with the larger 707, the 720 had a shorter fuselage and was lighter, allowing it to perform well on routes where a larger long-haul aircraft was unnecessary. It was powered by 4 jet engines mounted beneath its swept wings and could cruise at speeds of roughly 600 miles per hour, dramatically reducing travel times compared with earlier piston-powered airliners. One of the aircraft's greatest strengths was its ability to operate from airports with relatively short runways. This made the 720 particularly attractive for domestic and regional routes. Airlines around the world used it to connect major cities during a period when air travel was becoming increasingly accessible to the public. The Boeing 720 also evolved during its relatively short production life. The 720B, introduced with more powerful Pratt & Whitney JT3D turbofan engines, offered improved fuel efficiency and performance. These improvements helped extend the aircraft's usefulness as airlines became increasingly concerned with operating costs. Although only a little more than 150 Boeing 720s were built, the aircraft left a lasting impression on aviation history. It helped establish the jet airliner as the standard for commercial passenger travel and demonstrated how different versions of a successful aircraft design could serve different markets. The 720 eventually faced increasing competition from newer and more efficient aircraft, including the Boeing 727 and Boeing 737. As these aircraft entered service, many 720s were gradually retired from passenger operations. Some continued flying as cargo aircraft, while others found new roles with governments and air forces. Today, the Boeing 720 is remembered as one of the aircraft that helped define the beginning of the jet age. It may not have achieved the fame or production numbers of the Boeing 707, 727, or 737, but its contribution was significant. The aircraft represented a moment when commercial aviation was moving rapidly from the propeller era into the age of high-speed jet travel. The story of the Boeing 720 is therefore more than the story of a single aircraft. It is a story about a changing world, one in which crossing continents became faster, air travel became more common, and the jetliner began to reshape the way people experienced distance. The Boeing 720 was not the biggest or most famous jet of its generation, but for a brief and important period, it helped carry aviation into the future. Brought to you by Morelli EduTech. Thanks for watching. Please be good enough to share and subscribe to our channel.